What is up, guys? We are back with another video. Now today we are playing a game called Airplane Story. I'm pretty sure that's what that's called. If it's not, then I'm probably not off by a lot. Um so today we're gonna see if we survive the story, because I know there's always a bad ending to these things. um So yeah, let's see. Let's try and get in one of these slots. I assume it's kind of like the other one, Cruise Story, that we did. So it probably shouldn't be too different for us. Let's try to get in one of these things. Okay, I think this one's gonna be the full. Okay, yeah. All right, it's time to go to sleep. We still have a few hours to go. This guy is. Oh, he regained his health. So we can't do nothing with this paper, like it's not a key card or anything. What? Nah. Okay. See? Why we have to do it like this, man? I'm going back to my seat just in case anything happens so I won't take damage. It appears that we've lost energy. Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? Right wing. What's on the right wing? Oh my god. Look at it! Wait, hold on. Let me go over here. Dude, what is that? Are those? What are those? What are what? Snakes? Snake? Oh, is this snakes on the plane, bro? Man. Why are there so many? Stop following me. Yo, they're following me out. I gotta get them on other people. Stop following me. Are those snakes? Guys, there's an open restroom. Alright, they're distracted. Come on. Oh, I see it. I see it. I see it. It's right here. Ow, 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 ow. Come on. I really hope they made it. Let's go. Yo, this guy's almost dead, man. He has had zero luck. Oh, they all died. This guy has had zero luck with concerning his health, man. Like, this guy got the turbulence, was knocked him half off. And now he got attacked by snakes, which probably left him at like, what, 30 HP? No, that's like 25 or 20. Alright, where are we going now, bro? Alright, the snakes are somehow gone. We're the only people on the plane. The power's back up. So I went to 7 to down to 3. I don't understand this. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. The creature on the wing is gone. Is also gone. Creepy. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. We'll start with the bad news, cause the good news is the power's back up. What's the bad news? The bad news is that we're losing significant amount of the oxygen mask will drop over your seat. Take them quick. He took mine. He took mine. Where am I supposed to get one? He took mine. Bro. Jit took my mask. That should not be allowed. Alright, this time I'm I-7. 7, 7. Oh, it's A, B, C, D. Okay. Alright, I got my seat. I got everything. Now I just gotta wait for the whole thing to just happen again. Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 9096. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination. Feel free to explore the plane. Okay, so now we remember that there is turbulence. So we have to get back to our seat. And now we know that there's going to be snakes. And we know where the bathroom is going to be. And to get to our masks. Pronto. Before someone else takes it. What's this? Can we hop out? Now please find your seats. Please find my seat. It's 7-1, right? 7I. I low-key hope like 5 people don't make it to the seat, so they just bounce around in the airplane and like die or lose half of their health. Wait, he was sitting down and he still lost health. 3 people are halfway down. Okay. Thank you for your cooperation. See, these don't open anymore. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. No mayo, please. Hold the mayo. Hold the mayo so we don't have the whole situation again. Please hold the mayo. That doesn't even look like it has mayo inside. At all. I'm saving that for later, just in case it gives us health when we are in need of it. Wait, I'm the one who is allergic to mayo? That's not cool, man. What if I find my own bag? Could I find my own bag? Got it. I found it. I'm right here. Come on, let me click my bag. Let's go. See? I'm responsible, man. I find my own stuff. See, that was a close one. Not really, because I knew where everything was and when it was going to be, okay? Good afternoon to all passengers. I will inform you that we've reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back and take a nap and enjoy the ride. Would it really? Alright, come on. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. Clearly, as you can see, my legs has already been stretched. I don't know why I'm so tall. Oh, okay. Why am I still surprised? Like, I just panic. Something's out of order. Alright, we see the creature right there. The Bombo. There's 2 of them? Oh wait, no, it's just a reflection. Come on, I'm not tall enough now. Come on. Yeah, just look at him. You will not survive. Are those snakes? Yes, those are snakes. Get on top of a chair. I'm gonna get close to this chair since it's closer to the bathroom. And I won't take any damage. Alright, hurry up. Say the bathroom. Say the bathroom part. Come on. Guys, it's an open restroom. I'm making a run for it. You know how we do, bro. Like, I mean, guilty. We already knew it was gonna be there, so. Alright, come on. 9, 8. Alright. A fair amount, maybe not all, but a fair amount of people made it into the bathroom. More than last time. Only 3 people made it. I think everyone's here. Except for the ones who died. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck was happening. How about we talk to the captain? Because this is probably his fault. He probably stole something that didn't belong to him. Just like the captain from the cruise. Alright. Can we get out of here? Okay. 7. Power's back up. And those snakes are gone. Thank God. That creature's also on the wing is also gone. So no one got to fly first class. Your attention, passengers, I have some good news and some bad news. Yes, good news, the power's back on. But there's always a but. Wait, what was his but? What was the bad news again? Oh yeah, you're running out of oxygen. Give me my seat. I'm ready to snatch my mask, bro. Let's go. Coronavirus ain't gonna touch me, bro. Guys, it's a mask. Come on, just run into it. You're an idiot. Everyone who died has an IQ level of -6. Cause how did you not know all you need to do is grab the mask and that's it? The reason I died is because someone else took mine. But their mask was literally right there and they just stared at it and didn't take it. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh my god, what is this? What is what? What is what? Why are you red? Why is he red? Wait, turn around. Wait, what is that? What are we gonna do? Okay, everyone, calm down. If we find something sharp to cut the cable. Is that a bomb? It's a bomb. Dang. Alright, which one is she gonna cut? I'm gonna stand over here in case he explodes. Because I don't want to get caught up in that mess. Explode the blue one. I will cut the red cable. Oh my god. I low-key wish he... I was hoping, but not really hoping, that it would have exploded. Because I wanted to see what was going to happen. But I'm happy he survived. Okay. This game is stressful for no reason. We haven't heard from the crew. Yeah, he probably parachuted out of here while that demon thing is just trying to kill us. And check if everything's okay. Let's go to the cockpit. Yes, sir. Captain. I found them. They're unconscious. Where did you find them? The cockpit is over here. We need to alert the captain. Quick. To the captain's room. Capitan. It's locked. What is happening? Was that thunder? Are we gonna get struck down? Something's happening inside. Inside. The captain might be in trouble. Break open the door! We might find something able to open it. Alright, let's check back here. We haven't checked back here for anything. This is stressful. Why? Can we open cabinets? Speed dial someone? I would like to call life insurance. 1750. $1750. I saw that thing on the wall. 1750, buddy. I know the code. Let me in. I know the code. Let me tell you, bro. It won't let me get the code. Just tell me. I know the code. Oh my goodness. Why? No. Nah, bro. Open the door. Open this door right now, man. Open this door. I'm not doing this again. I'm not doing this again. You know what? Let me get in here. Let me get. I will smack you with my i7. Come on. You think you're here because I acted, but you're not. What? Did we get a free ticket again? I brought you here. All of you. I want to sit there and drive the plane. Come on. That's not possible. Cause and effect. It is. And now, it's time to die. No, it's not. I still have a few years to live. So leave me alone. See you in the afterlife. I won't be seeing you because I'm not gonna die. Let me control this plane so I can send it to where it needs to go. I want to control the plane. I don't care about the captain. This is probably his fault. Move. Move, girl. I'm controlling this plane. I'm clicking. Can you go somewhere else, ma'am? No, it still says danger. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry, we'll get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? Yes, we are okay. Autopilot mode is on. Okay, we've traced your location. Isn't that the snack lady? How? There's one last task for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. Me, I volunteer. I'm doing it. So everyone get out of my way. Find someone to sit in the co-pilot seat beside the captain. Yes, I'm first. No one can beat me. I am superior to all other humans. Yes, sir! Out of my face. Okay. Okay, everyone, I got this. Sure you do, me. Yeah, we don't got this, man. You gonna slice my neck, man. We don't got this. Oh no, it's back. I got my 1.7. I got my i7, bro. Mwah! You humans are funny. Oh, like you didn't used to be one. Shut up. Your destiny has already been written. Last chance, unknown entity 223. Listen, I got a sandwich and a passport. I mean, not a passport, a plane ticket. Crash this plane or I'll rule the underwear for eternity. Okay, guys, should I crash the plane? I'm crashing it! Oh my god, dude. All this time you trusted him. Oh my god. Yo, I'm crashing it. Oh my god, he was always on my side. Now, take us home. Yo. Yes, master. Hey, what's gonna happen? Oh my god, did I do something wrong? Whoa, this music is loud. Victory? What's gonna happen now? All I was left with was my i7 and the sandwich. Okay. So yeah, that was it. I'm gonna have to end it here, guys. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm pretty sure there's like other endings to things like this. So if you guys want to see me do the other ending, make sure to comment down below. And as I said before, like the video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.